The earth whispers stories of its past, tales etched in stone and buried beneath the sands of time. These whispers are faint, yet they carry the weight of millennia, echoing the lives and legacies of those who walked this land long before us. Hidden beneath layers of time, the remnants of forgotten civilizations lie waiting to be discovered. Each artifact, each ruin is a piece of a grand puzzle, a fragment of a story that has been waiting to be told for centuries. The thrill of uncovering these pieces drives archaeologists and historians alike, as they painstakingly brush away the dirt of ages to reveal the secrets of the past. From the majestic Pyramids of Giza to the sprawling temples of Angkor Wat, these lost kingdoms ignite our imagination. They stand as silent sentinels of a bygone era, their grandeur and mystery captivating all who behold them. These structures are not just monuments, they are the legacies of the people who built them, testaments to their ingenuity, faith, and ambition. They offer tantalizing glimpses into the lives, beliefs, and achievements of those who came before us. Each carving, each inscription, is a window into the past, revealing the thoughts, dreams, and daily lives of ancient peoples. Museums around the world house these treasures, preserving them for future generations to study and admire. These ancient sites pose profound questions about our place in the grand tapestry of history. As we stand among the ruins, we are reminded of the impermanence of human endeavors and the enduring nature of human curiosity. Scholars and researchers delve into ancient texts, seeking to understand the philosophies and knowledge that guided these civilizations. What led to the rise and fall of these once great societies? Was it war, famine, natural disasters, or something else entirely? These questions drive the quest for knowledge as we seek to learn from the past to better understand our present and future. Historical reconstructions and animations bring these ancient cities to life, offering a glimpse into the world as it once was. What knowledge and technologies did they possess? Ancient maps, engineering marvels, and technological artifacts reveal a sophistication that often rivals our own. Scholars analyze these findings, using modern technology to unlock the secrets of ancient innovations. Computer simulations help us understand how these ancient engineers achieved feats that still baffle us today. Uncovering these secrets could reshape our understanding of human history and civilization itself. Each discovery adds a new chapter to our collective story, challenging our assumptions and expanding our knowledge. Digital reconstructions and advanced scanning techniques allow us to explore these ancient worlds in unprecedented detail, bringing the past to life in ways we never thought possible. The quest to uncover these lost worlds is a journey of exploration and discovery. It is a journey that takes us to the farthest corners of the earth, from dense jungles to arid deserts, in search of the remnants of our ancestors. Each expedition is a step closer to understanding the rich tapestry of human history. It is a pursuit driven by our innate curiosity to unravel the mysteries of the past and to piece together the story of humanity. As scholars debate and timelines are drawn, we come to realize that the story of these lost worlds is, in many ways, the story of us all. It is a story of resilience, innovation, and the unending quest for knowledge. The allure of lost civilizations is undeniable. They beckon us with the promise of adventure, knowledge, and a deeper connection to our shared human heritage. Yet uncovering their secrets is a challenging endeavor. Traditional archaeology relies on painstaking excavation, meticulous artifact analysis, and often fragmented historical records. Time is a relentless adversary, as the ravages of nature and human activity constantly threaten to erase these fragile remnants of the past. Cost presents another significant hurdle. Large-scale archaeological projects require substantial funding for fieldwork, laboratory analysis, and preservation efforts. Securing these resources can be a constant battle. Furthermore, archaeological sites are often located in remote or politically volatile regions, presenting logistical and safety challenges for researchers. Despite these obstacles, the pursuit of understanding our past continues. And now, a powerful new ally has emerged to aid archaeologists in their quest for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming numerous fields, and archaeology is no exception. The integration of AI into archaeology is revolutionizing the way we uncover and understand our past. AI offers archaeologists a powerful toolkit to enhance their ability to discover, analyze, and interpret the remnants of lost civilizations. This technology is not just a tool but a game changer, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. Machine learning, a subset of AI, allows computers to learn from data without explicit programming. This means that the more data the system processes, the smarter it becomes, continually improving its accuracy and efficiency. Archaeologists can train machine learning algorithms on vast datasets of archaeological images, maps, and texts. These datasets can include everything from high-resolution photographs of artifacts to detailed maps of excavation sites. These trained algorithms can then identify patterns, anomalies, and potential sites of interest with remarkable accuracy. For instance, subtle changes in soil composition or vegetation patterns that might indicate the presence of buried structures can be detected with ease. Image recognition, another powerful AI tool, enables computers to see and interpret images in a manner similar to humans. This technology can analyze thousands of images in a fraction of the time it would take a human, making it an invaluable asset in the field of archaeology. By analyzing aerial photographs, satellite imagery, and even drone footage, AI algorithms can detect subtle variations in vegetation, topography, or soil composition that may indicate buried structures or artifacts. This allows archaeologists to pinpoint areas of interest with unprecedented precision, saving both time and resources. AI is not simply about finding sites, it's also about reconstructing them. The ability to create detailed 3D models of archaeological sites offers a new dimension to our understanding of ancient civilizations. Three-dimensional reconstruction algorithms can transform two-dimensional images and laser scans into detailed three-dimensional models of ancient structures, providing a virtual window into the past, bringing the past to life with astonishing realism. These models can be used for educational purposes, allowing students and researchers to explore ancient sites without leaving their classrooms. They can also aid in the preservation of sites, providing a digital record that can be studied and referenced for years to come. The future of archaeology is being shaped by AI, making it possible to explore our history in ways we never thought possible. As technology continues to advance, who knows what other secrets of the past we will uncover? The impact of AI on archaeology is already being felt around the world. From the deserts of Peru to the ancient ruins of Italy, AI is transforming how we uncover and understand our past. This technology is not just a tool, it's a revolutionary force that is reshaping the field of archaeology in ways we could have never imagined just a few decades ago. In Peru, researchers used machine learning to analyze thousands of high-resolution satellite images of the Nazca Desert. This vast and arid region, known for its mysterious geoglyphs, has long intrigued scientists and historians alike. The traditional methods of exploration and analysis were time-consuming and often left many areas unexplored. The algorithm successfully identified previously unknown Nazca Lines, massive geoglyphs etched into the desert floor by the ancient Nazca culture. These lines, some stretching over hundreds of meters, were created by removing the top layer of reddish-brown iron oxide-coated pebbles to reveal a yellow-gray subsoil. The discovery of new lines has provided fresh insights into the cultural and religious practices of the Nazca people. These enigmatic designs, depicting animals, plants, and geometric patterns, have puzzled archaeologists for decades. The purpose behind these massive drawings remains a topic of debate, with theories ranging from astronomical calendars to religious rituals. AI is helping to piece together these ancient puzzles by providing data that was previously inaccessible or overlooked. AI is helping to unravel their secrets. By analyzing patterns and comparing them with other archaeological findings, AI can suggest new interpretations and connections that were not apparent before. This not only aids in understanding the Nazca culture, but also helps in preserving these invaluable historical sites for future generations. In Italy, AI is playing a crucial role in the ongoing efforts to read the carbonized scrolls buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 CE. These scrolls, preserved by the volcanic ash, are some of the most significant literary finds of the ancient world. However, their fragile and charred state has made them nearly impossible to read using traditional methods. The scrolls, discovered in the ancient Roman town of Herculaneum, contain a wealth of lost literature and philosophical texts. These texts offer a glimpse into the intellectual life of the Roman world, providing context and depth to our understanding of ancient philosophies and daily life. The potential knowledge locked within these scrolls is immense, but accessing it has been a monumental challenge. However, their fragile state makes unrolling them extremely challenging. Traditional methods risk further damaging these precious artifacts. This is where AI steps in, offering a non-invasive solution to this age-old problem. By using advanced imaging techniques, AI can virtually unroll the scrolls, preserving their integrity while revealing their contents. AI algorithms are being developed to virtually unravel the scrolls using X-ray and spectral imaging techniques, allowing us to finally glimpse the words hidden within for centuries. This breakthrough technology is not only preserving the physical scrolls, but also ensuring that the knowledge they contain is accessible to scholars and researchers worldwide. These are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing archaeological research. The integration of AI into archaeology is opening up new frontiers, enabling discoveries that were once thought impossible. From identifying hidden structures to decoding ancient texts, AI is proving to be an indispensable tool in the archaeologist's toolkit. By automating tedious tasks, enhancing accuracy, and revealing hidden patterns, AI is empowering archaeologists to make groundbreaking discoveries at an unprecedented pace. The ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately means that researchers can focus on interpretation and analysis, leading to more informed and insightful conclusions. Let's delve into some specific case studies to illustrate the transformative power of AI in archaeology. These case studies will highlight the diverse applications of AI, from uncovering lost civilizations to preserving our shared heritage. Join us as we explore the cutting edge of archaeological research powered by artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of AI and archaeology, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more fascinating content. Thank you for watching.